The health benefits of figs or Anjeer include its use as a treatment for sexual dysfunction, constipation, indigestion, piles, diabetes, cough, bronchitis, and asthma. It is also used as a quick and healthy way to gain weight back after suffering through an illness. Figs are seasonal fruits that are found in the western parts of Asia, but dried figs are available almost everywhere, at any point during the year. The fig tree is a member of mulberry family. The health benefits of figs come from the presence of minerals, vitamins, and fiber contained in the fruit. Figs contain a wealth of beneficial nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin B2, calcium, iron, phosphorus, manganese, sodium, potassium and chlorine. There are 5 grams of fiber in every 3 fig serving. That high concentration of fiber helps promote healthy, regular bowel function and prevents constipation. Fiber works to add bulk and mass to bowel movements, so it not only prevents constipation, but also eliminates diarrhea and unhealthy or irregular bowel movements. The fiber in figs also helps to reduce weight and is often recommended for obese people. However, their high calorie count can also result in weight gain, especially when consumed with milk. A few figs are enough to get the recommended amount of nutrients, so don't overdo it. Remember, it is possible to have too much of a good thing. Figs contain pectin, which is a soluble fiber. When fiber moves through the digestive system, it basically mops up excess clumps of cholesterol and carries them to the excretory system to be eliminated from the body. As a soluble fiber, pectin from figs also stimulates healthy bowel movements. Figs can have a laxative effect, as they are one of the most fiber-dense foods available. High amounts of fiber in your diet can benefit your overall health by preventing certain types of abdominal cancer, as well as colon cancer. Dried figs contain phenol, omega-3 and omega-6. These fatty acids reduce the risk of coronary heart disease. Furthermore, the leaves of figs have a significant effect on the level of triglycerides in a person's system. Fig leaves have an inhibitory effect on triglycerides, and makes the overall number of triglycerides drop. Triglycerides are another major factor behind various heart diseases. The presence of fiber helps to stimulate the elimination of free radicals and other cancer-causing substances, particularly in the colon, since fiber increases the healthy movement of the bowels. Fiber content in figs have been known to protect against breast cancer, and after menopause, the hormonal balance in women can often fluctuate. The body's systems are so interconnected that hormones affect the immune system, which in turn affect the ability of antioxidants to fight free radicals. Free radicals are prime factors behind the development of cancer, so figs take care of one extra line of defense by providing its wealth of fiber. The American Diabetes Association recommends figs as a high-fiber treat that helps promote functional control of diabetes. Fig leaves reduce the amount of insulin needed by diabetic patients who have to regularly take insulin injections. Figs are rich in potassium, which helps to regulate the amount of sugar which is absorbed into the body after meals. Large amounts of potassium can ensure that blood sugar spikes and falls are much less frequent, so figs can help diabetics live a much more normal life. People usually take in sodium in the form of salt, but low potassium and high sodium level may lead to hypertension. Figs are high in potassium and low in sodium, so they are a perfect defense against the appearance and effects of hypertension, making figs a relaxing food as well, which can settle the nerves and bring some calmness to your day. The natural chemicals in fig leaves make it an ideal component for a tea base. Fig leaf tea has been popularly prescribed for various respiratory conditions like bronchitis, and it is also used as a way to prevent and lessen the symptoms of asthmatic patients. Figs have been traditionally used in the Indian subcontinent and a few other areas of the world as a calming salve for venereal diseases. Ingestion or topical application both work for relief from sexually transmitted diseases, although further research needs to be done on the exact range of symptoms and diseases which figs positively affect. For centuries, figs have been recommended as a way to correct sexual dysfunction like sterility, endurance, or erectile dysfunction. It has been a major part of mythology and culture, and most of the time, it is referenced as a powerful fertility or sexual supplement. Its actual success as an aphrodisiac is questionable, but the huge amount of valuable vitamins and minerals might result in the sudden boost in energy and stamina that people mistake for a sexual surge. Soak 2 to 3 figs in milk overnight and eat them in the morning to enhance your sexual abilities. Figs are rich in calcium, which is one of the most important components in strengthening bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. It is also rich in phosphorus, which encourages bone formation and spurs regrowth if there is any damage or degradation to bones. People that maintain a high sodium diet may be affected by increased urinary calcium loss. The high potassium content in figs helps to avoid that condition and regulates the content of waste in your urine. It minimizes the calcium you lose, while increasing the amount of uric acid and other harmful toxins which you want to get out of your body. Vision loss in older people is normally due to macular degeneration. Fruits and figs are particularly good at helping you avoid this very common symptom of aging. The high mucilage content in figs helps to heal and protect sore throats. The soothing nature of figs and their natural juices can relieve pain and stress on the vocal cords. Figs are quite useful in treating various respiratory disorders like whooping cough and asthma. They are also effective digestive aids, and they are helpful in treating constipation, indigestion, stomach ache, and various other intestinal conditions. Figs are good for fever, earache, boils, abscesses, venereal diseases, and is excellent for the liver. Figs have a high level of alkynes, therefore they help to regulate the pH of the body. Figs are rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which are antioxidants that prevent the damage caused by free radicals. Figs are known for their soothing and laxative properties, and they are also low in fat and sugar. Figs are sweet and soft and their paste is often used as a replacement for sugar. Processed figs are used to make pies, pudding, cakes, assorted baked goods, jam, jellies, and preserves. It is possible to have too much of a good thing, and eating too many figs can cause diarrhea. Furthermore, dried figs are high in sugar and can potentially cause tooth decay. Also, there are those who are allergic to figs, or certain chemical components within them, and the resulting allergic reactions can be mild to severe. As always, before making a major change in your behavioral patterns or lifestyle, speak with your doctor or usual medical professional. Finally, it is best not to consume too many figs in the week or two leading up to a surgery, because it can occasionally cause bleeding in the digestive tract in sensitive individuals.